Okay, guys, to show appreciation to y'all for showing me the love, I'm doing a Zaxby's video. I've only had their grilled chicken before, but today we'll have a real treat. Okay, starting, we have the fried chicken Philly sandwich, which this is the combo. Comes with the drink, fries, and the sandwich, which it's $9.29, but it's huge. That's like a pound's worth. That is so big. Okay, then we got the vegetable egg rolls. They come with a sweet and spicy sauce. I'd have to look thoroughly. I think they gave me the ranch instead because I have both ranches. And I always come prepared with this. Okay, but yeah, those are the vegetable egg rolls. And then this is the cheddar bites. So we're going to do a real quick test, a ratings test by themselves. Those are really good. Okay. As a snack, 9.5 out of 10. They're delicious, but I'll try it with this as well. Yeah, 9.5 on the cheddar bites. Okay, the egg roll, we're going to test this out. Actually, let me do it on the traditional ranch sauce first. Okay, this is a taste test with the sauce. Unique, very fresh. All the food is very fresh. Okay, I'm going to give that a strong 8.5 out of 10. It's good, the insides are good. As you can see, there's egg and then vegetables. But yeah, that's very high end. Okay, now we're going to go to the sandwich. So yeah, I rate that a strong 8.5. The fries, they're big, they're chunky. They taste good. Strong 8 out of 10. But I want to try this thing. It's huge. This is what I came to try. That sauce is pretty good. It's kind of like a barbecue sauce, but I don't even know what it is. I can tell you one thing though. It's very gunky.